When I was looking at cheap sort of bits of software we could use, just because money was tight and we were so new to everything, we decided that let's try and stick to SketchUp to begin with. But we kind of found out early on that it just wasn't really suited to how we wanted to do things. There was a lot of bugs, a lot of issues, a lot of things that were coming off the CNC just were always wrong, and that's kind of what led us to finding Mozaik.
We used to work together at a bespoke joinery company, very high-end residential company. We decided to pair up and go for it.
Our first workshop as well, when we first moved into it, we had the option. It was either we get a saw or we get a CNC. You was much along the line.
Panel saw.
Yeah, you was
only.
panel saw. This is what we was used to at our last company. And it was me that was kind of like, I just saw all the things that we could machine and make with the CNC rather than the saw. So it took a lot of
convincing.
Yeah, a lot of convincing.
We were relearning how we did the job that we've done for years.
Yeah.
But like modernising it. Well, we tried it was like a plug-in to SketchUp, but it basically didn't really speed us up at all. It kind of slowed us down. It helped put certain fixing in certain spaces, but it was actually quicker for us to just draw holes on SketchUp than to use this thing. And then we were like, what's the point in having this bit of machinery if we're having to just draw like a screw hole into it and then measure it all out and stuff like that? So we went on a bit of a YouTube hunt for software. Well,
we went through a bit of a period where we was like, have we made the right choice by choosing the CNC over the saw?
I thought I'd won.
Yeah. I was like, there must be something better out there than what we was using. I came across the cabinetry system that we'd never seen before, and I was like, that's exactly what we need. Something that's just super easy. You just drag and drop. All the fixings are just in the right places where they need to be.
Well, it just looked like the most time efficient bit of software, because obviously when you run your own company, you're not just making it, you're meeting designers for a few hours, you're measuring the whole place up, you're then coming back, a whole day's gone, and you've got another day to start doing it. And then when you start spending days and days and days planning it out on the computer, you've lost a week at the end of it. But whereas with this, it was like, right, we just basically need to speed up everything.
The eureka moment was like, we could put a sheet down on the CNC, and as it came off the CNC, like everything was done. All of our hinge holes were done, all of our shelf pin holes were done, all of our fixings were done. So we could literally take it from the CNC, edge it, and then just put the unit together. And we had never sort of been able to do that before,
It was kind of like gobsmacked how quick we were putting units up.
We used to have to make a jig for draw runners. The amount of time it used to take was just insane.
And then you did it wrong.
Where now it comes off CNC, the holes are already done, we put our screws in, and when we put that drawer in, we know it's correct.
Yeah, nice and straight, runs smoothly. All of our stuff is bespoke, so we've got maybe 10, 15 different cabinets that we would use across jobs. And just being able to kind of go through the selection, be like, okay, we've got a 6 bank of drawers in that one, drag. We've got just a double door with a couple of shelves, drag. And then we're like, cool, site survey, pull it all to the right side. Everything's just like boom, 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 done. All your hinge holes are done. We've spent the time to then go in and do it how we build it. We can just trust it fully.
So one of the biggest things for us was the being able to print labels off for each part, because the way that we used to do it before, we'd get a Sharpie pen and just write each individual part down. All we had to do was just push one button, and then literally all of the labels were just printed for us, and we'd just stick them on. It all starts from the site survey, so as long as that's correct, when we then put it into Mozaik, you can clearly see if there's any issues straight away because of the visualization of it. When you can do the 3D models with the wireframes, you can see inside how things are going to look.
Using Mozaik, I can see it. It's visually there. If it's wrong, it's going to be screaming in front of me before I've actually made it. It's great being able to play with it, make things work, make things very user-friendly as well for the customers. We know how that's gone together, but we need for then however many years that kitchen or wardrobe is going to stay in that property, it needs to be just user-friendly.
I would say Mozaik's probably given us on each project, say you take a wardrobe for instance in a room, it's probably shaved off 2 to 3 days off the project. Once it is set up to how you like things done, you don't have to do it again. So all you have to do is drag it in and then do the CNC data, put it on the CNC, obviously we build it, take it down, and it's ready to go. Simple as that.
When we first had the CNC, we were using other softwares, but it still takes a lot of time to do it. So then moving into a software like Mozaik just makes everything way easier. So it's like, yeah, the first step was like, oh my God, this is amazing. And then we made the Mozaik step. It was like, why didn't we do that even sooner? Like, it's even better. So yeah, I'd recommend it to anybody who has a CNC or they're looking into getting a CNC machine. Just take the leap from the get-go. Like, you won't regret it. Like, it's amazing.